In this video, we will demonstrate the proper way to apply the rain gasket to a door. When ordering a replacement door or upgrading an older kitchen project, the gasket comes uninstalled. You will receive a length of rain gasket with your order. Measure out an appropriate length of rain gasket for the door, starting with the shorter sides. Leave extra length for trimming later. Repeat this for the longer side of the door. Remove the adhesive backing and apply no further than approximately 1/16 of an inch away from the door edge. Lift and cut the corners on a 45-degree angle. We recommend using a pair of Multipurpose Miter Shears. Repeat this for the remaining corners. The rain gasket installation is now complete and the door is ready to be hung.